How to use advanced feature in Snapchat. Hi everybody, in this guide I'll be showing you the procedure to use advanced feature in Snapchat. Now Snapchat's advanced feature include director's mode for video creation, AI tool for generating images, and Snapchat Plus for exclusive perks as well. You could keep your app updated, that is one of the essential part. So basically, to use the Snapchat direct mode, you need to open the Snapchat app on your device, first thing first. After which, you will then be able to see this arrow icon right in the corner, right? Click that out. Over here, you have these director mode. You could go ahead and enable that. And after you actually do it, you could go ahead and click a picture, and you just need to tap the flip camera icon to entire director mode. Choose to record a new video or more existing media, and you could go ahead and add in a caption, drawings, and sticker as well. You could also insert in the sound voiceover as well. And if you want to attach a web link, you could do that and adjust the playback speed as well. Now, you also can understand, or you need to understand, that some of the advanced feature is only available to Snapchat Plus users. So, if you have a Snapchat subscription, you should be get an exclusive advanced features which you could explore it. So that's all. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.